Hey, I'll be real with you. Once you fire up the 700MK2 and hear the difference, you'll realize how quiet your living room sounded before. Not louder, fuller. Not just a little better, convincing. That moment hits faster than you expect. This is for the kind of person who watches with intention. You know when a scene should feel alive with the rumble of a car, the whisper in a crowd, the footsteps sliding behind you, but your old setup always left something missing. You read past settling for good enough. You want depth, presence, and clarity that actually means something. Before you go deeper, take a quick look at the current price and stock. Systems like this don't hang around at stable pricing for long once people start noticing what they really deliver. You knew it was time to upgrade long before you searched. Maybe your old soundbar got loud but lacked dimension. Maybe bass was there but never articulate. Maybe surround effects felt like a hint instead of a presence. That's the quiet frustration that builds over time, the kind that makes you start watching with one ear tuned for detail you never hear. That's the moment you outgrow compromise. Then you switch to this. And the difference isn't just about power, it's about space. The sound doesn't just sit in front of you anymore, it moves around you. The detachable surrounds don't just fill a channel, they place effects behind you with clarity and weight. The 10 sub doesn't just thump, it anchors the low end with authority. Overhead cues from Atmos aren't gimmicks, they're present and expressive. Imagine a movie night where rain doesn't just fall, you feel it around you. Picture games where directional audio is instinct, not guesswork. Even everyday shows feel richer and more intentional, like your whole room finally learned how to perform instead of just project. Now is a good moment to double-check the price. Availability and price swings are real, and hesitation often turns into regret later. If you rethinking it might be too much, that doubt fades fast once you hear how cohesive everything sounds. This system isn't chaotic, it is controlled. You don't chase clarity, it arrives. And the part that surprises most users? How natural it feels once it is playing, like the room itself became competent at sound. There is a quiet pride that comes with owning something that delivers. You don't have to explain the difference to someone, they feel it right away. It is the kind of upgrade that makes you wonder how you ever settled for just okay sound. Sound that fills the space naturally, bass that feels deep and articulate, surrounds that place every cue, height effects that actually land, listening that feels cinematic, requires room planning, premium audio asks commitment at some point. Comparing specs stops helping. You choose what feels right. You already know which experience you keep circling back to. Don't let this be the upgrade you delay and look back on wishing you'd done it sooner. Check availability, trust that instinct you've been circling, and bring home the sound experience your space has been waiting for.